Hello everyone, this is Hernan. I'm gonna give you a quick view of the home office. Those doors, I'm not gonna open right now. Washroom, Sivan's room, and my other children's room when they come and visit. And I'm moving over here to the living room. Hello wife.
Hello.
How are you doing, beautiful wife? She is cooking.
I'm making chicken parmesan.
Awesome, everything that you make is amazing. And right here we have California Rodriguez, most beautiful Labradoodle in the world, okay? And let me take you over to the home office. It's a small home office, but I have everything. Diplomas, plaques, 2 monitors, lights here, okay? And obviously the green screen. Boom and boom, okay? Get a green screen. We run the business from this home office, and we have over 600 licensed agents across the USA and Canada. 95% of all the Icebreakers team of champions is in the USA. This is Vancouver, downtown. We are in Cold Harbor. It's a beautiful day, as you can see. And Vancouver is so beautiful because it's a modern city that has a combination of ocean, that is the marina, okay? The Cold Harbor Marina, and that forest that you see right there is Stanley Park, and the mountains. There's a little bit of snow at the top, but I cannot zoom. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that just from a home office, you can run an empire, okay? And let me see if I can switch this. Hello everyone, thank you so much. We today achieved Legacy Platinum Plus Legacy with Experior Financial Group. We are super proud. We like to thank all the team of Icebreakers and all the support that we get from our uplines, Darren and Stephanie Golka, and of course, Jamie and Liam Prickett for building this awesome ecosystem for financial entrepreneurs. And I want to thank especially our business partner, Executive Director, Annie Curie, all my children and all my family, friends for the support. You know, the journey is not easy, but it's worth it, okay? So you can do it from anywhere where there is Wi-Fi, and we wish you a great, great day. Remember to follow, share, and subscribe. And if you want to get in touch with me, do it in any of the social media channels where you are watching this, or scan the QR code at the end of this message. Take care. Bye-bye.